What you making, Baby Box? Oatmeal?
You know I love making crafts in the dollhouse with you, right? So for Family Day, I'm making a craft mini dollhouse. Do you want to build it with me?
We'd love to.
We love building with you, Baby Box.
Great, then let's get crafting. I'm going to use the oatmeal container for the base of the house. Now I need something for the dome-shaped roof. What shape should we use for the roof? This dome shape will be great. Thanks.
Add some trusty glue.
Now let's paint. Pink for the roof and blue for the base. Add 2 kitty ears. Boop, boop. And some white yarn for the dollhouse trim. Add 2 window eyes.
Don't forget the pipe cleaner whiskers.
Boop, 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 boop.
Now we need to add the kitty nose.
We need a pink kitty nose shaped like this. Which gem should we use for the nose? The pink heart. Boop.
Looking cat-tastic, Baby Box. What's next?
Let's add some kitty windows.
Let's count to see how many we need. Count with me. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
We need 6 windows.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6. And now for the finishing touch. The Cativator.
Aw, hi, Cativator.
I made it with the toilet paper roll.
Crafty.
Ta-da!
The mini dollhouse looks ameowsing, Baby Box.
All it needs now is a little family magic. Gabby?
Here we go.
Happy Family Day! Celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Let's celebrate Family Day. Meow, 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 meow. Let's do it the Gabby Cat way. Meow, 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 meow. Woo! Now that's what I call crafty-rific.
Thanks for letting us build it with you, Baby Box.
Yeah. I sure am glad you're part of our family.
Me too.
Me 3.